Hi everyone, this is Shashi. You're watching my channel, so-called Shashi's Guidance. Hello guys, you're watching my channel and thank you very much. And today, before my class, I'm going to talk about a very informative news, and I'm telling you the news is nothing. It is you see, I get vaccinated. I say vaccine kapsare aduna kadawai kona all of you. I request you all to get vaccinated. Aduna vaccinated oibio aduduga I say yam phare habidi karigino ai taragadi akoina aina ahambada di khalami yam kirame adu puning yakibele ramama yam jingdo asagi ona tainana sale e hujingna maramdi hana kapada kirambadu akoina asagi kaproba matungda di akoina asagi isaji yam yang habidi e kaptring ai dang asagi mi ma thengna bada e laina se ga na hape chingna ba leibe jingdu hidak se kapthoba matungda gi di yam nungai adu wakhan ji yam yange aduna kasu thodokpa yam ka hena leibak puna magi prithvi leibak puna ma kap ka doribini na masida thoina agi wakhanda di kairo drahane khale adubu aduna maram moraga ka de koina aidi aiju ngarang kapsarubani ngarang kapsarubado ngasi class to bang moidrene khanmani adubu ngamdana dum thoksare isini laibak phabadegi kasu thodokpa tawde aduna mayam su ka de koina kasu thodokpa tawro hene khanjai aduna yaragadi ka de koina vaccine se kapthoga hanagi yamna tangdu leita pa ka de koina live to de koina halakna ba khoi dum honne minarasi. Now we are going to carry on in our class regularly, and we are doing that still, and so that's why let's come to the point of today's topic. This topic is the noun clause with be verbs. Habeding a siki topic se kada boy kona noun clause ngarang aine noun clause phasana hai gre adu bunga si jo hapetang hai ge noun clause se bisi karino hamatan dai koina I think sai gi verb ki kada boy kona object oi bedu kada boy kona group of words to subject verb yawa adina ngarang akona phasana khaido ki huji khadro pada jo khangani aduna be verb sai si yawram ngarang to gibdana suguma be verb se kari kaino hamatan da am is are was were hari bisi bini kona be verb hari ji side pijari je aduna hari bisi je yawram matandadi gasoi ngarang ongi ba mong du da olasu yai aduga atopa mong du yam ka hena khanganing bagini ening asi sigi mong close the noun close type se amu pusala isi magi on bagi mong si structure se it has two kinds, the two kinds laiba aduna ngasai gi first one is the kedawai koina hai the last one is the better than and more suitable hai the according to some grammarians, and in this modern scenario and it is very popular, it is correct, everybody says it, and that's why kedawai koina mara mara mora kedawai koina aina tawjabani yengasi adudi Karisho nate akona masida ju akona mamangda tawgiba subject verb object khantokpa habadudi suksoi soibe ade subject si leire verb si leire v2 leire adudi subject plus v2 di kai leire past indefinite leire. The tense of this sentence is a past indefinite. Akona sigi past indefinite have khangare object kadai lege. Where is the object of this sentence? Hariba kasagi sentence gi object si kadai lege have. Let's see, let's discuss, let's find out very easily. We have to follow the rules of the yesterday's class, and let's see. Yung kona ngara mamangi class ta kona to date yarom taragati kada kona marak ta yam ta bada aduga subject yarom ba kada kona verb yam ta di noun clause oigni adana. And this part is called noun clause. Karigi noun clause ori ba adi set eba verb sigi object oibagi damakta aduna maram odana kada kona these groups of word oijaba taraga ju kada kona masi clause taraga ju masigi sentence gi di object and mean to gane ba sida we have to mean, and these groups of words is called object and gani aduna kone khangani adudi kone huji mamangi tamgi ba formula da habedi kada in the present perfect tense or in the past indefinite tense, in the present indefinite tense. Likewise we have done a load, so that's why and we have to focus on this aduna kone kari any subject plus second form of the verb like adudi past indefinite have koi khangre bani na kadore kona huji sigi nakan jide kam lai biji adu kadore kona close ne have je koi khange adudi kona formula apply to biraji formula de ahambagi formula de kona kadaba it na mahu sile have ta ngarang to gidu samane passive tense na si whole close gi mahu singi bani ngarang haije baduni sigi mahu je kadaba kona it na singani hadana adu do kadaba kona passive structure passive tense hai this past indefinite na passive formula on matam dadi the formula of past indefinite in passive tele the form to the kari no subject plus was or were plus v3 have neba adi subject plus was or where plus B3 plus by plus object haibani adu ta sida pan bi re adu subject plus was plus V3 lai re adu next akoina formula matung na there adum thambirani adu same subject hai taragadi akoina same subject mamangi sentence ta ga akoina tomba lai re tomba adum masagi do thambibani was ana was lai re a good doctor simai to na akoina good doctor sit hanga. Thus we have changed active to passive from this noun clause. But last one is a very important. Please focus on this topic very carefully if you want to improve your English very properly. And grammar is also, if you think that grammar is also part of your life, and if you love really your grammar but try to improve it, let's see. Masida legedaba form na kaino habdu yengsi ngo subject of noun clause are si omade formula apply tawiba adudi akoi ji si kari clause ne hai gra ina mamang da noun clause ne hai re noun clause ki subject de kai de le re adudi tum baji oibam thoe oi ko dudi maya tum baji oire adudi kari pukhalani sidai da tumba haine pukhapirani formula matungina adu kari mo hai re passive tense hai re passive tense lag matan si gi verb sida dum lag doini अगर सी ले स्ट्रक्चर बेसिकली पास डिफिनिट ना वाज सेट हारनी नेक्स्ट मथन कई सी ओनबी बजनी सी मजी ओनबी गदबा सीदा ओली बजिगा असीदा ओली बजिगा अनीजी खतने ओनबी दोजे सेट टू बी कई हाय दोबा आ गुड डॉक्टर अखोने हुजी यंगो फंगे एक्टिव तगी पेसिव ओमरे सिगी मॉडर्न टाइम दा तबजे मसी मेट्रिक त हारी स्ट्रक्चर जी am hangare aduna bosem da jo dum hangi bang agtane aduna care lo biu adu parikha gi namte si taramasu ai adubu this is a better than last first one si type si gi di si type si ne ka do ko na better over heli hadana id examiner sing adum khanaraga masi ama adum parikha da masi de hena focus tong nei aduna de ko na next example ama tang ai pizarage we said that they are good players adu de ko na subject si lere si v1 lere adu subject plus v1 is a present indefinite tense very easily we can find it. Next is we find that this is whole is noun clause adu this is subject, this is verb, this is object, but we know that the tense of this sentence is a present indefinite tense form, but this is the active structure, but we have to know the passive structure of this sentence. That means, and you see, I'm going to tell you the formula of the passive sentence of this present indefinite subject plus am or is or are plus v3 plus by plus object. I am going to note down over here, and you see in the present indefinite subject plus am or is or are plus v3 plus 2 plus b plus anyone like that. Okay, we have to apply this formula, but actually you see this is object, but we have to apply the formula of this number 2. I formula is the 2b on types the koi policy. Pesi omade ka subject of noun clause are the subject of noun clause they should be used as a subject over here. We put as a subject, and then we have to use the another verb. Let's see the tense of this sentence. The tense of this sentence is a present indefinite. We can find it very easily. So that's why we have to apply this formula, and after that we have to apply R itself. Next, we have to write down the third form of the verb, and say is the present form, and V1. That means you see the third form of the verb means say to said. Okay, this is up to this. We have already finished. Next, this R should be changed into to be itself. Okay, to be good players. Okay, now we got the passive sentence of this exercise number 1. We nicely have done this topic, so that's why and you got it. Okay, for today let's stop over here as we have learned up to this topic, and I hope and you got it. This topic is a very interesting, very helpful to you. I hope so. I am very proud of you, my lovely viewers who love my English teaching method, and I am very happy extremely. And then I am supposed to tell you, please watch my channel very regularly to improve your English. Definitely, I'm not telling you lie. If you work hard, if you practice a lot the day by day, you will definitely improve your English, and I can give you guarantee. And I am going to give you some appeal to you people who love English grammar. Don't skip only the small lessons, and everybody would like to skip it. Don't skip it, please. And please don't get me wrong, because I am going to tell you fractions of times that fractions of knowledge makes a huge amount of knowledge, and that's why. And after having huge amount of knowledge, you can turn your knowledge into make money for your future, to make your life career in your future bright, and each and everything. You will get different kinds of opportunities, and if you have a good English communication skills. And that's all. Thank you very much for your cooperation.